Hey guys, what's up? This is Patrick from Zentorial, the open marketplace for tech tutorials. Today I'm here to talk to you about a conclusion we made after studying the coding education market and interviewing both students and teachers. If you are planning to write some tutorials to spread your knowledge, help the coding community, and maybe also create a source of income, this is very important to you. Our conclusion is that text is better than video for coding tutorials. Now, I know that there are excellent video tutorials out there with great content and very good communication. But what we're talking about here is the format itself. So these are the primary reasons pointed out by both students and teachers as to why text beats video. First, it's easier to follow. So when you're learning something from a coding tutorial, you usually have to jump back and forth in the content frequently, which is much easier to do when you can simply scroll up and down or press Ctrl F than when you have to scan through a bunch of videos trying to find the minute when the author says something important. As a whole, text is simply much easier to follow in your own pace than video. Second, it's easier to produce. So video is a performational art, text isn't. So video requires some preparation and some editing. And if you don't do these things, well, you will have a bad quality video that will look like amateur material. Text, on the other hand, doesn't require this much preparation and doesn't require technical equipment. And well, as a whole, not so much can go wrong. And if something goes wrong, you can simply go back and write it again. It's simpler. Third, it's easier to modify. So let's say that after a year, you want to change something in your content. Well, if you have a video tutorial, you will have to record a part of it again with all the coding and explaining. While on text, you simply have to delete the paragraph and write something new. End of story. And fourth, it's much easier for foreigners. So if you are a foreign content generator, you can write your content in your native language and then translate it to English. While on video, you would have to either speak directly in English or write a script and then use the script to record, which means double the work. You have to write and record. And well, the same thing is valid for readers. So as a reader, you can copy text and translate it online. While if you're watching a video, you rely on instant subtitles, which can have a very bad quality. Okay, so after hearing this from students and teachers, we decided that Zentorial would be a text-based coding tutorial platform. And you can use our powerful Markdown editor to write your tutorials and add code blocks, images, and lots of formatting, okay? So if you want to give it a try, visit zentorial.com and start spreading your wisdom. So to all developers watching this video, thank you very much for your attention and wish you all the best in your projects. Bye.